by Juniper Creations, item 17025. Now we're going to do an unboxing of an unboxing. I've already unboxed it, but I put it back in, so I'm going to unbox and unbox. All right, so basically it comes in a nice box, obviously, nice single core box.
A square?
A box. They make a box.
Here's where your remote is. Oh, look, the remote's already got batteries in it. Oh, that's awful nice. And you have a rocket that is styrofoam, plus you have a screwdriver and extra props. Now, I already broke one of the props on this. That's why there's only 3. They're very easy to replace. You basically just unscrew right here, and then you just pop it out. And there's 2 lefts and 2 rights. You gotta have the right ones.
Quite frankly, donut meat. A lot of chicken, fair amount of fish.
But basically, you just push this button here, okay? And it lights up, so at night you can flash this, and we could turn the lights off too. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna sync it. There we go. And then it has an automatic launch button right here. You have the on launch button, left, right, and then you have the sync button, and then left and right syncing, and then you have a flip button, which the thing will literally go like this. It will flip completely around. Now, we're in a building like this. I'm not gonna be able to do the flip, but we could go outside and do it. And so you just push the automatic launch, and she just takes off like that. I mean, this thing is just sweet. Watch this, Elon Musk Falcon 9. Boom, Falcon 9, baby. We just relaunched it for the 15th time. Launch, baby, launch. Yeah, baby. Holy cow, look at that. The Space Force. Look at that, the Space Force. Now, what is really cool about this? Now, what's really cool about this? Number one, it's styrofoam, so it's very light, okay? It's got 4 propellers, which gives it stability. Now, it also has an infrared, so that if you put your hand to it, it will move away. I didn't show you that yet. So we're going to do a launch. Now we're going to turn on the, see that, how it moved away? Oh, let's try that again. Now watch, here we go, watch. See that? Look at that, it moved away because it was going to hit my hand. Holy cow. And that's part of the Space Force. And this is called the rocket drone. We're going to do an Elon Musk land. Falcon 9. That's right, the Falcon 9, the most ingenious rocket ever made. Okay, it lands after taking off. They can reuse it. They've got one Falcon that's already done it 19 times. They've saved literally 19 airplanes. Okay, very durable, lots of fun, lots of playtime. This thing flies about 25 minutes and it charges in about 30. Not a full charge, but it gives you another 25 minutes of play. And it's called Rocket Drone, available at ProTinkerToys.com. You can have a lot of fun and just check out all the other fun stuff that we have at ProTinkerToys.com.